Hi everybody, welcome to Ural of New England. My name is Daryl and I'm here to show you the pride of the fleet. 2019 Ural Gear Up Overland number 5. This is another one of our custom projects and as you can see it is pretty aggressive looking. We take quite a few pages out of our catalog to set these up, and there's not enough time to go over everything with you. I can just kind of run and point things out as we go around and we film. But first off, you'll notice it has the more aggressive tires, winch, extra luggage, extra racks and guards, windshields. We've got more lights. Come around here, we have our foot box. If you'll notice around through here, a lot going on down between the car and the motorcycle. We have our 2-in-1 high pipe exhaust, our custom oil cooler kit, and this bike also has the forward and reverse shifter on it. So as you can see, this bike's ready for anything. So if you have any questions about this bike or any other one that we have in our inventory, please give us a call. My name is Daryl. Thank you so much for watching our video.